Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Shraddha from Creative Edges. If you don't want to miss future tutorials, please do hit like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So today we are going to make layout with the French paper by Dot Inspiration Shop. It's a mixed media layout. So let's get started. These French papers are available on Etsy shop of Dot Inspiration. If you want to check out, then there's a link in description below. You can check out their shop and you can buy from there. So I got the print on my paper like this. So I cut my heart shape on a piece of paper only. I'm not using any cardboard or anything. I'm just tearing off my print and I'm going to paste in a heart shape only with the help of Mod Podge. So now our piece is ready. I'm applying my texture paste with the help of net sheet. I'm not using any stencils. You can also do that. If you don't have stencil, you can use anything like that which can give you the texture. So see, lovely. So I'm using my spray paints on over the texture and I'm applying a little bit water, but if you don't have spray paints, you can use your own acrylic paints. With the help of water you can do that. So there are more designs of French paper, as you can see. I like the woman one, so I'm using one of them. I already cut it. So guys, let's quickly decorate it with the help of wooden charms, metal charm and other things. And I also paste everything with the help of gel medium. You can use any gel medium of any brand, heavy gel medium, gloss or matte finish, anything you like. Guys, I love these French papers, and let me tell you, you can also print on a plain paper A4 size and you can also print it on glossy sheet. I print on both the sheets and it really gives me a lovely effect and I can use it in my different projects. I love them. Please do check out the Etsy shop. If you like, you can purchase from there. So guys, it's done now. It's looking really lovely. I hope you also liking it, and if you want me to come up with more DIYs like these, please do subscribe my channel. Do let me know. Thank you so much.